Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Standing up and open your leg about the hip distance. Inhale, arms up, grab your wrist. And exhale, reach to your right. And look toward the ceiling. Inhale, exhale for 1. Exhale, all 4 corners of your feet pressing down. 2. Reach, 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 reach. Try to feel the stretch on the side. 3. Shoulder blades together, gaze up. 4. Reach even more. And 5. Back to center. Now change. Inhale, reach. 4 corners of your feet pressing down. Exhale, reach to your left. Gaze up toward the ceiling. 1. Shoulder blades together. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Back to center, arms down. Now walk to the top of the mat. And toes heels touch. And knee together and lifting up. And arms up. Inhale. And exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, bend your knee. Plant your hand and step back to plank pose. Heel to crown, one line, tuck up. Navel, inhale, exhale, slowly lower your hips. And upward facing dog, Uba Mukha Shavasana. To Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale, squeeze to your knee. Inhale, on your heel, on your toes, heels up, tailbone high up. Exhale, squeeze your knee to your chest. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. One more inhale, exhale. Slowly keep your tailbone high up. Slowly lower your heels. Inhale, right leg up, and bend your knee, open your hips. Hang there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Square hips and step between hands. Back heel up. And square hips. And hands up. And interlace your fingers except index finger. Inhale, exhale, and bend. Inhale to reach. Exhale, bend your knee. Inhale to reach. Exhale to sink down. Up and down. Up and sinking down. Palms down. Step back. Let's do. Inhale. Plank pose, Chaturanga Dandasana. To upward facing dog, shoulders away from ears. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now left leg up and bend your knee. Hang there. 1. Hip open. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Back to center and step between. Back heel up, square hips, interlace your fingers. Inhale and exhale, sink your hips down. Inhale to reach, exhale to lower. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale, exhale, palms down. Plank. Big inhale, exhale to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing Uba Mukha Shavasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. And from here, inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step between. Now back heel down. And from here, Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana B. And exhale for 1, let's stay there. 2 arms, 1 line. 3. Ground yourself, very strong pose. 4. And 5. Now other side. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder blades together. Widen your collarbone. 4. And 5. From here, reverse. Peaceful warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. Back to center. Now peaceful warrior. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to center. Now, toes heel touch. Let's do tree pose. And from here, and shift your weight onto your left. And slowly bring your right leg up. And press against inner thigh. And palms together, shoulder blades together. Lift up your sternum, widen your collarbone. And drishti fixed. And if you want a little bit to challenge yourself, grow your tree, open branches. Stay there. And when you're ready, close your branch, bring your palms heart center, and relax. And shake your legs. Now, shift your weight to your right. Four corners of your foot pressing down, very strong base. And lifting up your kneecap and slowly bring other leg, left leg against inner thigh, press. And palms together. Drishti gaze, 1 point. And steady your breath. And control your mind. And control your balance. And if you want to have a little bit more challenge, grow your tree, open branches, stay there, lifting up a sternum. And when you are ready, close your branch, bring your hands heart center, and with control, bring your leg down, and shake, 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 shake. And from here, open your legs and toes pointing out. And crook of your elbow together. Inhale, exhale, lower hips. And make sure tailbone underneath your neck, underneath your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now stretch and change your arms. Ready? Inhale, lifting up elbow. Exhale, sinking your hips down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. And inhale. And exhale. Press your knee out. And twist your upper body, look toward the ceiling. Now other side. Inhale, exhale, sink your hips lower. And back to center. And together, palm together. Together, and Namaste. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!